Hello everyone, let's make some sheerKhurma or दूध के सेमिया. बहुत easy recipe I'm telling you. First of all, I've boiled 1 liter milk in a pan, and with this छोटू सा glass I'm adding 1.5 glass sugar. It depends upon your taste. Let the sugar get dissolved and add थोड़ा सा इलायची powder. Now I'm adding 1 cup of roasted semia. I've roasted this with ghee for about 5 minutes. Now give it a slight mix and let it cook for 2 minutes and it's done. Serve it hot with essential almonds and cashews, and that's it. Your delicious doodh ke semia are ready. Try it at home and let me know how it was. And also, don't forget to subscribe.